Welcome to the Known and Unknown YouTube channel where you get to know about the facts and stories by which you are not aware. Hello, my name is Spec and I am your host for this video. And in today's video we are going to know about the origin of the space and Big Bang and what exists even before space. So let's begin the journey of known to unknown. Since the dawn of humanity, we've gazed up at the night sky, wondering about the vast expanse above us. What is space? Where did it come from? Join us on a journey to explore the origins of space. The most widely accepted scientific explanation for the origin of space is the Big Bang theory. Around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began as an infinitely dense and hot point, known as a singularity. In an instant, it began to expand and has been growing ever since. This expansion wasn't just of matter and energy, but of space itself. During the first fractions of a second, the universe experienced a rapid expansion known as cosmic inflation. This smoothed out any initial irregularities and set the stage for the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. Quantum fluctuations played a crucial role during this inflationary period. These tiny, random fluctuations in the fabric of spacetime were magnified to cosmic scales, eventually leading to the complex structures we observe in the universe today. But what about before the Big Bang? The concept of nothingness is a profound and complex one. Some theories suggest that nothing, the absence of space and time, might be inherently unstable, potentially giving rise to a universe. One intriguing idea is the multiverse hypothesis. This theory proposes that our universe is just one of many, each with its own laws of physics and constants. In this vast cosmic landscape, the origin of our universe could be part of a broader multiverse. Advanced theories like string theory suggest the existence of additional spatial dimensions beyond the three we experience. These dimensions could hold the key to understanding the fundamental nature of space and its origin. Throughout history, different cultures and religions have offered their own explanations for the origin of the universe. These stories, while varied, reflect a shared human curiosity and wonder about our place in the cosmos. Today, scientists continue to study the cosmos, gathering data from telescopes and space missions. Observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, provide critical clues about the early universe. Advances in theoretical physics, such as quantum gravity, aim to bridge the gap between general relativity and quantum mechanics. These efforts may one day offer new insights into the origin of space and time. The origin of space is one of the most profound mysteries of our existence. As we continue to explore and understand the cosmos, we come closer to uncovering the secrets of our universe's beginnings. Thanks for watching our video. If you love this video, please leave a like and subscribe the channel, and also leave comment about what video you want to see next. It will be very appreciated and also boost my confidence for making such videos. And in this channel we are going to cover some interesting topics and also creating some video on origin of things and conspires theories, so please subscribe this channel for such content.